Click on the link below to get price. The ALLPOWERS SOLAX SE100 100W portable solar panel is a powerful and highly efficient option for anyone looking to harness solar energy on the go. With its impressive efficiency rate of 23% to 25%, this monocrystalline solar panel stands out in a crowded market. The folding design makes it incredibly convenient for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone in need of portable power. First impressions of the SE100 reveal its sturdy build, designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The panel folds neatly for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for those who often travel. Weighing in at around 6 pounds, it balances portability with performance, allowing users to carry it without much hassle. The integrated carrying handle is a thoughtful addition that enhances its portability. Setting up the ALLPOWERS solar panel is straightforward. It comes equipped with multiple output options, including USB and DC ports, making it compatible with a wide range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, and even small appliances. The inclusion of a built-in smart IC chip allows for optimal charging, ensuring that devices receive the right amount of power without the risk of overcharging. In terms of performance, the SE100 delivers exceptional results. On a sunny day, it can easily generate 100W of power, making it suitable for charging power banks or directly powering devices. The panel performs admirably even in less than ideal conditions, such as cloudy weather, where it still manages to produce a decent amount of energy. One minor drawback is the lack of a built-in battery. While this keeps the panel lightweight, it does mean users will need to pair it with a compatible battery system for optimal use. Nonetheless, the ALLPOWERS SOLAX SE100 100W portable solar panel is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and portable solar solution for their energy needs. Its combination of efficiency, portability, and durability makes it a standout choice in the portable solar panel market.